Short whiskey facts. For everyone that's ever gone looking for an Australian-made bourbon whiskey and haven't been able to find one, there's very good reason for that. And that is because bourbon whiskey, as a style, is protected by a geographic indicator. And one of the definitions within that indicator that make bourbon bourbon is the fact that it must be made in America. So a whiskey maker in Australia, regardless of how many of the other rules within that indicator you follow, you'll never meet that one that says must be made in America. So therefore you will never be able to call your product a bourbon. So while distillers outside of America can absolutely take inspiration from bourbon, we can produce whiskies in a very similar style, in a very similar way. We can never call it bourbon. So if a distiller followed a bourbon style recipe outside of America, what would they call it? Officially, that style would be a grain whiskey. Single grain, blended grain, you get it. We called ours triple grain.